Hey, what's up, fam? Today, I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely delicious deep fried turkey. Hey, it's the holiday season. You already know what we gotta do. We gotta get that bird ready to go on your table. Now, deep frying it will be the easiest way, the quickest way to get it on your table. But it is some steps that you gotta take to make it absolutely delicious and then to have it safely done. So I'm gonna show you how to do it and get you in the game. You already know what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make an absolutely delicious fried turkey. So we gotta get this thing all trimmed up and ready for that hot grease. What I wanna do is I'm gonna turn this turkey this way, and then I'm just gonna remove some of this excess skin where the neck was at. And I don't wanna remove too much, but that should be about perfect right there. And then just trim it up just a little bit more. And then we'll be in the game. Now we got the front side done. Now this is a 13-pound turkey, by the way. And on this turkey, it still has the turkey tail attached. I'm gonna leave this on here, and this will be a good fried treat for somebody. When we get it fried up, we'll cut this off. So I got me a cup of butter, and then I got my baptizing Cajun seasoning. Now you can go in with whatever seasoning that you like. We want to get some of that seasoning in that butter, about a couple tablespoons. Now we'll take our injector, fill it up, and then now we'll go into the legs first, and then we'll plump up this turkey. And this right here, injecting your turkey, this will keep this from drying out, and the end result will be absolutely delicious, fam. And then don't forget those wings either. Go inside those wings and then get them nice and plump. Now for the rest of the butter and Cajun seasoning that I got left over, I'm just gonna drizzle that over, and I'm gonna use that as a binder. And we'll go ahead and season this. And keep in mind, when you put this in the oil, some of that seasoning will come off. So you want to season it when you take it out the oil. Just sprinkle a little bit on it, and you'll be in the game. Now, once we get everything seasoned to our liking, hey, we're gonna let this bird sit out about 15-20 minutes while we get that oil up to temperature, and then we'll get this thing ready to drop in that grease. So we out here, hey, we got this oil, it's almost ready to go. We got our instant read thermometer. We really wanna get it to about 350, and then we'll be ready to go. You can already see it's at that point, it's a little bit over, which is fine. Before I put that bird in to that hot grease, I'm gonna kill the flame. Now that's the critical step when deep frying the turkey, safely deep frying the turkey. You wanna kill that flame before you put that turkey in, because you don't want any grease to catch that flame, and then that flame erupts, and then you got a huge fire in your hand. Hey, thank me later, you in the game. So we got this beautiful bird, is ready to go, seasoned up. Now you see how I have it on the wire rack here. So while you let it sit out and let those seasonings adhere to it, you can also let some of that additional moisture continue to drip down, because again, moisture is your enemy when you deep fry. So let's get this thing in the fryer. Slowly place it down. And then once you got your turkey safely in this grease, go ahead and kick that fire back on. I'll make a little adjustment so we can get that turkey tail down in there, and that grease will be in the game. Now we got that turkey safely in that pot. And as you see right here, what I did was tuck that turkey tail back into the bottom of this turkey so it can fully cook. Now I'm gonna raise this temperature back up because cold turkey will make this grease a little bit cooler. So we want to get this back up to 350. We'll bump up our temp. and then we'll watch this thing go. Now, just a rule of thumb, 13-pound turkey, this should take roughly about 30 to 40 minutes. So we'll check it about, 30 minutes, see how it's doing. We don't want to take it to 165 because it's still gonna cook. So we want to shoot a little bit less than that. And then when we bring it out, it'll still be cooking. And then they get up to that safe temperature, 165, and it'll be juicy. It won't dry out on you, and you will be in the game. Fam, so we've been going for about 30 minutes, and I'm gonna bring this bird up. Take a look at this right here. Perfect. Look at it, golden brown. That's an absolutely delicious looking turkey right there. So what we'll do is we'll set this on this cooling rack, and we'll let it cool off just a little bit before we take it inside. But take a look at that nice golden skin. It's gonna be crispy. Now what you wanna do, because it's hot, it's still got a little bit of that grease on it. You wanna sprinkle a little bit of your seasoning on it. Again, some of that washed off when you place it in that grease. So hit it with a little bit of that seasoning, and then you'll be in the game. What I wanna do is, I already know I'm gonna tear into one of these wings here, but I wanna cut into this breast and just show you how juicy it is. So I know it's kind of awkward the way I got the camera sitting, but I'm gonna go ahead and just cut me a little piece, a little slice. So look at that right there. I'm gonna tear this off. You hear that crunch? That wing right there. Yes, sir. Let's get into this breast. Let's peel it back. And you see right there. It's nice. Hey, it's juicy. Yes, sir. And that's why you want to inject it with that butter. Again, I'm not gonna squeeze it because you don't want to squeeze all your juice out. You want to keep that nice and juicy, fam. And you already know what I gotta do. I gotta give this a taste test. Hey, again, happy holidays. Cheers, fam. We in the game. Woo. Juicy. Hey, it's delicious too. Yes, sir. When you inject it with that butter and that seasoning, I know some people, they use like seasoning and then some chicken broth. Just go with straight butter and seasoning. It comes out for a better result. You'll thank me later. And you already know, I gotta go back in for one of these wings right here. Nice and crispy. Yes, sir. Hey, let me take the time out and say thank you so much for stopping by. And while you watch this video, don't forget to smash that like button, then smash that hype button, share with your family and friends, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Now, for my Focus family that's been rolling me for a while, hey, you know what your boy the coach is about to do. Well, I'm about to smash into this Cajun fried turkey, and I'll see you guys very soon because we got a lot of holiday videos that we gotta put out. We'll see you guys soon. We in the game.